Buenos días. ¿Qué tal?
Comparisons.
Spanish and English use comparisons to indicate which of two people or things has a lesser, equal, or greater degree of equality. Some examples of comparisons are menos interesante, más grande, and tan sabroso como.
Comparisons of inequality.
Comparisons of inequality are formed by placing the Spanish words for more or less, más, or menos before adjectives, adverbs, and nouns, and the Spanish word for than, que, after them. Here are two examples of comparisons of inequality with nouns. 1. Prepara más platos que José. Susana come menos carne que Enrique. Comparisons of inequality with adjectives follow the same pattern. Los bistecs son más caros que el pollo. Estas uvas son menos sabrosas que esa pera. Use the same formula for comparisons of inequality with adverbs. Me acuesto más tarde que tú. Atención! Note that while English has a comparative form for short adjectives and adverbs like taller, or in this example, later, such forms do not exist in Spanish. The Spanish for taller is más alto, and as this example shows, the Spanish for later is más tarde. Atención! When the comparison involves a numerical expression, de is used before the number instead of que. Hay más de 50 naranjas. Llegó en menos de 10 minutos. With verbs, the construction verb plus más or menos que is used to make comparisons of inequality. Look at these examples. Mis hermanos comen más que yo. Arturo duerme menos que su padre.
Comparisons of equality.
There are three basic constructions for making comparisons of equality. You use this construction to make comparisons of equality with adjectives and adverbs. The Spanish word tan plus the adjective or adverb plus the Spanish word como. Look at this example. Este plato es tan delicioso como aquel. To make comparisons of equality with nouns, you use this construction. The appropriate form of the Spanish adjective tanto plus the singular or plural noun plus the Spanish word como. Consider this example. Ustedes comieron tantas manzanas como ellos. Atención! Note that tanto acts as an adjective and therefore agrees in number and gender with the noun it modifies. For example, in this sentence, tantas manzanas. Tan and tanto can also be used for emphasis rather than to compare. In these instances, they have different meanings. Tan, so. Tanto, so much. Tantos, tantas, so many. Here are some examples of tan and tanto used for emphasis. El profesor es tan inteligente. Sabe tanto. Sabe tantas cosas. Finally, you form comparisons of equality with verbs by placing tanto como after the verb. No duermo tanto como mi tía. Estudiamos tanto como ustedes. Note that in this construction, tanto does not change in number or gender.
Irregular comparisons.
There are several irregular comparative forms in Spanish. Repeat after me. Bueno, buena. Mejor, malo. Mala. Peor. Grande. Mayor. Pequeño. Pequeña. Menor. Joven. Menor. Viejo. Vieja. Mayor. When grande and pequeño, pequeña refer to age, the irregular comparative forms mayor and menor are used. However, when grande and pequeño, pequeña refer to size, the regular forms más grande and más pequeño or más pequeña are used. Look at these examples. Isabel es la mayor de su familia. Tu ensalada es más grande que esa. Yo soy menor que tú. Pedí el plato más pequeño del menú. The adverbs bien and mal have the same irregular comparative forms as the adjectives bueno, buena, and malo, mala. Julio nada mejor que los otros chicos. Ellas cantan peor que las otras chicas. Bien, nos vemos mañana. Adiós.